Free body diagram. A free body diagram is a graphical illustration used to visualize the applied forces, moments, and resulting reactions on a body in a given situation. They depict a body or connected bodies with all the applied forces and movements and reactions which acts on the bodies. Here, a book is placed on the floor. So the forces acting on the book are: the downward force is mg, that means weight of the book, and the weight of the book is balanced by an upward force, normal reaction. So G is the action and upward force normal is the reaction acting on the book. Consider a body moving, then gravity along with the mass of the body will act vertically downward and it is balanced by an upward force normal reaction, and body is moving, so there will be an applied force and there will be a force of friction which will be the opposite in direction to the applied force. Here block A is placed on block B, both are at rest. Now let's see the forces acting on block A. So the normal force of block B on block A and force of earth on block A. And coming to the forces on block B, the normal force of table on block B and the normal force on block A on block B, and finally the force of earth on block B. Now here for a freely falling body, in first case that the body is falling freely and it is velocity is increasing, so the drag will be less than the weight. Drag in the sense air resistance will be less than the weight of the body. And in the second instant the speed is a constant or velocity is constant, so the drag will be equal to the weight of the body, so the velocity will remain constant. In this case the vertical forces are weight of the person and the normal reaction force on the person, and these are vertical forces. And coming to the horizontal forces, the tension on the rope, so tension on the rope towards left and the tension on the rope towards right, so these are horizontal forces, and the vertical forces are weight of the person and normal reaction of the person. Here both the blocks are on inclined plane. The forces on A is weight of the block, tension, and normal force exerted by B on A, and frictional force exerted by B on A. And coming to the block B, weight of the block, normal force exerted by A on B, and normal force exerted by the inclined plane on B, and the frictional force exerted by A on B, and frictional force exerted by the incline on B. While a car moving, the force of motor, and opposite to that there will be a frictional force between tire and road, and there will be a drag, that is air resistance, and the force of normal will be upward and the force of gravity will be downward, and there will be a force of lift due to the drag or air resistance. When a car is having a turn, the weight of the car mg, and it is balanced by an upward force n cos theta, and the horizontal component is n sin theta. The vertical component is n cos theta and the horizontal component is n sin theta. Horse pulling the cart. Here horse is having a normal reaction upward and downward mg or weight of the horse. In the same way cart is also having a normal reaction and weight balancing downward, while horse is pulling the cart forward. The cart also exerts some force in backward direction, and due to the force applied by the horse is more, So force will be in forward direction, frictional force will be in backward direction.